Hello food lovers, welcome back to my kitchen. It's Calf's Kitchen here in Ghana, ready to share another amazing recipe with you. Today we are diving into a classic Ghanaian stew known as Kontonmire Stew or Palava Sauce. So grab your aprons and let's get cooking. To a pan, I'll add some palm oil and allow it to heat for a while, and then go in with my salted tilapia. We popularly call this Kobe in Ghana, and it adds an amazing flavor to your stews, okay? I soaked this overnight to get rid of the excess salt, which is usually used as a preservative. I'll fry that, set it aside, and I'll go in with my tomato mix. So this tomato mix is made up of fresh tomatoes, onions, pepper, ginger and garlic. You can feel free to add any spice of your choice, but this right here is just my preference, okay? I'll rinse that blender, add the water because you do not want anything to go waste, okay? I'll combine everything properly and allow this to cook for about 8 to 10 minutes, stirring from time to time. So after 10 minutes, our stew base is almost ready. So I'll give it a quick stir and then introduce my fish powder and some shrimp powder as well. So I'm using 2 tablespoons of the fish powder and just a tablespoon of the shrimp powder. The quantity totally depends on you. I'll add some stock cube, give it a quick stir and allow this to cook for just about 2 to 3 minutes. So if you are here and this is your first time visiting my channel, a warm welcome to you, and we hope that you are going to enjoy your stay here with us. You are most welcome. So after 2 or 3 minutes, I'm back and our stew is almost done. It is ready to receive our protein. So with the protein, I'm going to use some cow skin, which we call wele here. I cut it up into smaller sizes and steamed it up, okay? The sizes totally depends on you as well. This is just my preference again. So I'll give it a quick stir and then go in with the fried salted tilapia we fried earlier, and then add some smoked mackerel. Oh my god, the stew is looking good already. I'll give it a gentle stir because I do not want my fish to break into tiny pieces, okay? I still want to chew on something when the stew is finally ready. So I allow it to sit for just about 2 minutes and then go in with my kontomire or cocoyam leaves, okay? So I slice this up and parboil it for just 2 minutes. So our colleagues who are not Ghanaians, you can use spinach in place of the cocoyam leaves or the kontomire, and you'll still be good to go. So I'll give it a quick stir, bearing in mind that my fish is still in the stew, okay? So I'll give it a stir until it's properly combined, just like this, okay? So I'll cover it up for just 2 minutes because we do not want to lose the nutrients in our cocoyam leaves. So just after 2 minutes, I'll be back, give it a stir, and then introduce my egg. So in Ghana, when preparing palava sauce, we add eggs and melon seeds, or what we call agushi. You can decide to use both at a time or either of them. So I'm using only egg today, okay? So I'll cover for the egg to cook just about a minute or two, stir, and there we have it. Our palava sauce or kontomire stew is ready to be enjoyed. In Ghana, we enjoy this with boiled yam or boiled plantains or boiled plain rice, and you'll be good to go. Okay, so I'll just add some scotch bonnet pepper for that extra heat. Guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video so far. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, Let me know in the comment section what Ghanaian dishes you love most, especially to my non-Ghanaian subscribers. I await your comments. And to you all, thanks for watching my video all the time, and I'll see you in my next video. And until I see you in my next video, stay safe and keep eating well. Bye.